How to delete TikTok Shop seller account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'm going to be discussing about the process of deleting your TikTok Shop seller account. In order to begin, you have to navigate to your TikTok Shop seller account. Ensure that your account is up to date by checking for any available updates on the Play Store or App Store. Once confirmed, proceed to the settings. You may also have the access to account information at the top of the settings menu. If this is available, you may find the option to delete your TikTok Shop account or request its deletion. However, if this option is not present, an alternative method is to unlink your TikTok account. Simply click on the official account within the settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the option to unlink the official account. If your account is still in the probation, you must maintain at least one official account to continue as a TikTok seller. Unlinking your official account will render your seller account inactive, and another approach is to visit the TikTok Shop Help Center and submit a report by requesting a deletion of your seller account. Provide the necessary information regarding the reason for your deletion request, and by following this simple steps, you can successfully remove your TikTok Shop seller account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.